Thang-Ka means pine in Tibetan. It is a kind of portrait painted on cloth curtain and paper. Thang-Ka rose in the Tubal period. It is easy to collect because it can be moved freely. The size of Thang-Ka varies greatly. The side length of some Thang-Kas is less than 30 centimeters. The ones for Buddha shown in temples are usually very large. Its size can go up to a few meters long. The general Thang-Kas are about 75 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide. Depending on the different materials used to make the Thang-Kas, they can be divided into gauze Thang and bris Thang. Gauze Thang is made of silk by collage, stitching, and weaving. There are 5 ways, which are embroidery, kesi, which is a type of weaving done by the tapestry method in fine silks and gold thread, brocade, satin paste, and pile embroidery. Bris Thang is painted on cloth with pigment. There are many forms of expression, such as golden Thang, red Thang, and black Thang. Jewelries are even inlaid in some Thang-Kas. The pigments used for Thang-Kas are all natural, which makes it so magical. The color of traditional Thang-Kas remain unchanged for hundreds of years because the pigments are all from the local natural minerals and plants, such as turquoise, lapis lazuli, realgar, cinnabar, chalk from Renbu County, gold, and silver. Thang-Kas have a wide range of themes, including Buddhist Buddha statues, Dharma protectors, ancestor statues, as well as historical and folklore themes. Thang-Kas cover almost all aspects of Tibetan life, so it is known as the Encyclopedia of Tibet. Different styles of Thang-Kas represent different Tibetan painting schools. The painting schools of Thang-Kas are mainly Miantang Painting School, Kinzi Painting School, and Gashi Painting School. Miantang Painting School, also known as the Manqing Painting School, is the most influential painting school in modern Tibet. Lhasa is the center of Miantang Painting School, and the Thang-Kas of Miantang Painting School are popular mainly in the central area of Tibet. In the mid-15th century, Tibetan painters began to develop local painting schools unique to Tibet based on Indian, Nepalese, and Chinese painting styles. The painting process of portraits from the painting schools is precise and strict. Compared to the traditional picture performance, it pays particular attention to the use of lines. The lines are neat and smooth. The colors are lively and bright, and the changes are rich. The painting style of the old Miantang school was inherited from the painting styles of India and Nepal, but the landscape and flower patterns with local characteristics were added in the background treatment. The lines are symmetrical and refined, and the light color and gold outline make the paintings rich and colorful. The specific drawing process of Thang-Ka is as follows. Depending on the size of the painting, stretch the white cloth on a special wooden frame with a thread. Apply a layer of glue on the white cloth, and then apply the paste made of glue and clay on both sides of the cloth. After the cloth is dry, the cloth surface shall be coated with water, with the cloth head and polished with smooth pebbles. Grind the cloth repeatedly until the cloth surface is flat and smooth. When the cloth is dry, you can draw a draft. When you draw a draft, the main positioning lines, including side lines, center vertical lines, 2 diagonal lines, and any other contour lines to be marked must be drawn in strict accordance with the scale of the Buddha image, which is called lining room in Tibetan. There is a corresponding image scale for any sitting or standing Buddha images. The ones that do not meet the image scale can neither be called Buddha images nor be opened. The draft is usually drawn with fired willow charcoals and then finalized with light ink lines. Then, start coloring, sub-dyeing, color line drawing, and finally trace the draft in gold. Thang-Kas are a unique style of painting from Tibetan culture. As a religious painting, it adds a color to Buddhism and leaves an extremely important historical and cultural heritage for future generations.